this installation, all we need is a flathead screwdriver and a 19mm ratcheting wrench. Now make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest content. Let's go ahead and get started. Now we've got our vehicle up on a lift. For this installation, you do not need a lift. You can completely do this by yourself in your driveway. Now we're on the rear passenger side of the vehicle, and you'll see there are these two stickers. It's like a black ring with a black dot in the middle. I'm just going to stick a flathead screwdriver in there and pop that sticker and then try to peel it back. If you don't get it all in one piece, it's no big deal. Just remove and discard both of those stickers and make sure you do that on both sides. All right, so now we're just going to get this plate on both sides to go in between the exhaust and the frame rail. It goes in up at an angle. And then you're really just lining up these holes on those holes we just took the tape off of. Make sure you get all the hardware installed loosely, at least a couple of threads everywhere so you don't cross thread everything. And then we'll go ahead and use our ratcheting wrench and we'll tighten it up. And then make sure to repeat that process on the opposite side. Well, there you go, guys. This is a really easy install. 4 bolts, maybe 15 minutes in the driveway, and you can totally do it by yourself. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a like. And if you want any more information on this product, check out the link in the description below. And as always, if you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online. Thanks.